Certain perspective limits our altitude and vice versa, but this T25 release it. Looks amazing? You can also make it. Potensic T25. Life should be this way. Refuse to be complicated and make it simple. One key taking off, landing. Fixed point hovering in the air. GPS positioning system. And one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone. The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you, wherever you go, by the follow me mode. Tired of conventional shooting? Let's make a change. One key taking HD pictures, and the 75-degree adjustable camera will diversify your shooting style. Record 1080p HD videos. See broader views. One key sharing joyful moments you've captured through the drone app. Stronger anti-wind ability due to the newest built-in 9-axis gyro, which makes perfect shooting. Easy to control. The headless mode helps the pilot easy to control in the air. Freely enjoy the fast and the furious in the sky. What's more, T25 drone is like a star shining in the night sky. The LED flashlight helps you realize your aircraft's real-time position, satisfy you from flying experience to visual perception. All what we've been done is to bring you a more intelligent, functional, and simpler drone to you. Seeking stars in the sky, shocked by the boundlessness and vastness. But Potensic's enterprising craftsmanship can make our dream finally come true. T25 enlightens your life.
wonderful the world is, how far it can fly with you. SS-41, the Beetle drone, to achieve your imaginative aerial footage. The application of optical flow positioning technology allows you to take HD aerial footage. Dual camera capturing images to meet your creative aerial photography needs. At the same time, you can also freely switch to real-time viewing mode and gain more beautiful moments. Gesture control function to make selfie easier with just a peace sign gesture. Easy to get high-definition vivid figures. Change your gesture to switch to personal video creating. With the SS-41 Beetle, you can also become a video editor, collecting images, creating MV, and sharing the joy of flight. Simple flight control brings distinctive speed and passion. Fun and creative show time makes flying more comfortable and enjoyable. SS-41, the Beetle drone. Take a flight and own the sky.